As compared to the past, people are unhealthy and physically unfit nowadays due to their lifestyles. People these days love to stay indoors and scroll smartphones, which is one of the worst reasons for an unhealthy life. Today, I will tell you one simple tip that will help you to maintain a healthy weight and lifestyle, which is not difficult to do. That is walking. Walking 20 to 30 minutes a day has amazing health benefits which you don't ever imagined. Walking 20 minutes a day will help you to maintain a normal blood pressure. As high blood pressure is a rising health concern among youth nowadays, the best way to tackle it is walk. Researcher says walking 30 minutes a day has same impact as antihypertensive pill. Walking maintain and lower your blood glucose level, which means a healthy sugar level. If you walk, your body burn calories, fat, and carbohydrates. Walking help you to digest food easily. Nowadays, acidity, indigestion, and constipation are common. The only remedy is walk for these health issues. Walking facilitate the movement of gut while maintaining a healthy digestive system. Walking also helps to reduce depression and discourage negative emotions and make positive feelings in your brain. Walking 15 minutes a day will help you to tackle anxiety and depression, while walking 30 minutes a day promote creative thinking. It helps us to look more attractive and confident by making an attractive look. Walking also helps you to maintain a healthy weight by burning calories and extra fats. So in a nutshell, walking is the only way towards healthy life, burn calories and fats to facilitate a healthy heart. Walking is not a difficult task. You can preserve 20 minutes in evening or early morning to say goodbye all the emotional burdens and negative feelings. Just enjoy with your world. Subscribe our channel Smart Knowledge, more valuable contents.